We had a few questions about how to use an embossing tool or a nail art tool in watercolour. So I thought I'd do this very quick video that you can see. I'm just using normal watercolour paper. And if you were doing background trees, this is how I would do it. So you can see I've put the colour in. While the colour is wet, you go in with the embossing tool and you indent and bruise the paper. Now you can't see it very clearly, but what happens is it forms a groove and the paint channels inside and dries darker. And you'll see as this dries, the lines show up more because they don't dry as light as the rest of the paint on the paper. You can see the outline there, and I've done this even darker on top. So you can see that the indented paper doesn't change. It will remain dark with each subsequent layer. It just gets a little bit softer. So once you put it on, you can't do anything with it. And this is just an example with a bit of burnt sienna on how you could do it for fur or hair or feathers or grass or anything. So you indent, but just remember, once it's on, you can't move it. So why not give it a go?